Myungja shows annoyance towards Kyungtae. Kyungtae looks for Audrey and leaves, ignoring Myungja's request to accompany her to Kotsan to collect Sunyi and take her to the hospital. Kyungtae explains that he must find Audrey. Myungja reveals that Sunyi left the letter and mourning clothes. She spends the entire day searching for Sunyi at Kotsan nursing homes, but doesn't find her. Kyungtae shows worry and promises to look for Sunyi, but Myungja forbids it. She is fed up with Kyungtae and doesn't care about his search for Audrey. She states that she always considers her family and wants Kyungtae to live her life. That night, Myungja leaves the house to calm down, and Kyungtae remains not chasing after her. Other family members witness the argument and urge Kyungtae to pursue Myungja, but he remains silent. Gangbu says he will accept a divorce given Myungja's long suffering. Gonghi also hears news about Sunyi's disappearance and asks Minki for permission to go home. It is late and Gonghi is pregnant, but Minki, busy with work, doesn't take her. That night, Myungja goes to the Mang family restaurant to contact her siblings and inform them about Sunyi's disappearance. Myungja's siblings cry upon hearing the news but asks Myungja to remain calm and check other nursing homes. They will also look for Sunyi. Gonghi arrives and hugs Myungja. After Myungja calms down somewhat, Gonghi takes Myungja back to the Mang family house where Myungja still avoids Kyungtae. Dansu arrives and explains that he asked Kyungtae for help finding Audrey because he couldn't find her alone, and Kyungtae's past as a detective is helpful. Dansu asks Myungja not to misunderstand and say he accepts her anger. Myungja says she cannot blame Dansu and understands why he sought Kyungtae's help. She adds that Kyungtae always tries to help Audrey and they share a secret she doesn't know. What angers her most is that a quiet person like Kyungtae works so hard to help Audrey. Myungja tells Dansu that she believes Audrey will be alright and they must find Audrey immediately. Dansu hopes Myungja finds Sunyi soon. That night, Gonghi tells Dansu that Audrey and Sunyi's disappearances seem connected to their children's feelings. They may not realize their children are heartbroken because they left. They might think their children forget them and not fully understand their children's feelings. Gonghi says Audrey loved Dansu very much and left him when he was young. Leaving him must also be because she loves him very much. The next day, Kyungtae tells Dansu that he took Audrey to the hospital after a near accident. He saw Audrey calling Dansu's name in her sleep and heard about her pain. Kyungtae says he doesn't know what caused Dansu's misunderstanding of Audrey, but it must be resolved, given Audrey's effort to stay by Dansu's side despite fearing Chairman Huang. Kyungtae says Dansu should find Audrey and hear everything directly from her. Dansu, wearing a coat made by Audrey, says cannot forget Audrey just because she disappeared. And he goes to Chairman Huang's house to ask why he did all this, why she made Audrey seem bad and made him hate her. Chairman Huang defends herself, saying she did it for Dansu's good. Dansu says she took his mother from him, gave him nightmares for 20 years, and ruined someone's life. Dansu returns to the company but doesn't work. He hides on the rooftop and Gonghi finds him. Gonghi says she sees Dansu is not doing well. Dansu is amazed that Gonghi found him. Gonghi says she can always find Dansu even when they were children. Dansu asks Gonghi to find Audrey because he wants to say something to her but doesn't know where to find her. Dansu says he spoke harshly to Audrey and told her not to appear before him and how he regrets it. Gonghi says Audrey might also regret staying. Gonghi says if Audrey could go back, she might go back to the time she made the wrong decision. Gonghi's words make Dansu go to Kotsan, where it all started and where the regret happened in front of their house in Kotsan, where he fell 20 years ago chasing Audrey, who left him. Audrey walks the streets of Kotsan village, where memories of the past of leaving Dansu 20 years ago run through her mind. It was a regret for her, and if she could go back, she would turn around to hug Dansu and not to leave him. At the end of this episode, Dansu arrives at Kotsan, sees Audrey, and calls her mom.